Shamila Xavier. Madame Toastmaster Shamila Xavier, Mrs. and Mr. Xavier. Mrs. and Mr. Xavier, Madame Shamila Xavier.
I'm so proud to announce the compatibility driving test results of Mrs. and Mr. Xavier. Mind-blowing score. The powerful 0. Xavier thinks too much about himself when it comes to driving. Just because he got his license in the first attempt. Doesn't matter. I outsmarted him in the number of tries. I have taken my license after 33 attempts. Once upon a time there was a Ghajini Mohammed King. He lost almost 18 times, but still didn't give up. Who is my all-time role model? I've even beaten his records. I studied in all 4 prestigious driving schools in Dubai. Taken 40 classes each with different diverse personality traits instructors, both male and female. But didn't make much difference though. I've taken morning and night classes. Do you know Dubai morning is absolutely different than Dubai by night? But I feel so sorry for them. I made all of them incompetent. Nobody could make me pass. I was stunned to know that you need to do left, right, center mirror followed by shoulder check just to do what? To do lane change. So complicated. Here my second mistake. I was taught in order to move the car in a scientific way, you need to remember fixed number of turns in the steering. Be it a open U-turn, close U-turn, roundabout, lane change. You need to maneuver the car scientifically. But I always wondered why my calculative turns resulted in either bans or resulted reasons for traffic buildup. I don't know why. I was so determined, but all the driving schools, they have given up on me. Then emerged the real hero, my lifetime bodyguard, Mr. Xavier Raj, who has taken the challenge to teach me driving. Finally, I passed. But that enriching experience resulted in publishing 2 famous books by the debut authors, Mrs. and Mr. Xavier. The title of my book is, You Can All Drive. You can also drive. Don't ask me drive whom though. It talks about motivation, how to stay calm and positive during hardship. Because whenever my name was announced before driving test, it sounded like announcement before execution. I think it is a must read for every human being on earth, though there is a single copy has been sold so far. My God. The title of his book is How to Become a Sage in Just 60 Days. Great demand, especially from Dubai. He plans to arrange a lifetime ceremony for such brave souls. This guy used to make sarcastic comments on road whenever he spotted somebody who just changes lanes, or who didn't turn on the lights while driving in the night, who drove in the middle of 2 lanes, or who followed 10 trendy zigzag patterns even on zigzag road. His comment used to be, it must be a lady. Believe it or not, he is a transformed individual. He endlessly waits, even if he has to miss 2 signals for lady drivers. He claims that he sees another Sharmi in each and every one of them. I am concerned though, and hope that empathy continues only for driving and stops there. I find driving as exciting as playing treasure hunt game. confusing signboards, detours applicable only for that hour, and remembering the number of lane change I need to do in order to reach my intended place. It's a heroic act every day. Well done, Shami. I have become a great explorer now. Watch out, I will find even the 8th Emirate of UAE shortly. I always wonder how I reached Sharjah to reach my Dubai office from there. God only knows from where those roads emerged from. It wasn't there, it wasn't my fault. Due to my driving efficiency, maneuverability, I have become a celebrity now. People in my close vicinity, whether they drive behind, ahead, or even parallel, just suddenly changes lanes within seconds and look at me as if I'm an alien from outer space. I don't understand why people always complain they don't get parking, they don't get parking. Wherever I go, some fellow driver will emerge and offer a valet service. Probably would have witnessed my extravagance of parking skills. But my kids love my driving. They always comment, Amma, you give such a roller coaster experience. I always wonder why people who come with me a couple of times either report sick with high BP or heart disease. I think, guys, you heard enough. Ladies and gentlemen, the choice is yours.